Welcome back to a new video, guys. If you wonder why my hair is wet, it's because I've just taken a shower. But now I'm gonna perform the monthly smoke alarm test for April. So let's do it. I'm gonna make it beep like 9 times or so. Let's test it out. This thing has apparently gone off, starting to blare in the middle of the night recently. But let's see if it works. This volume warning. This will be very loud. Oh crap. That's Let's now go to the one in my parents' bedroom. So what's up? Now we're in my parents' bedroom. So let's test the smoke alarm here. This one has a much higher pitch. Oh, what the heck? Alright, that was it. Now let's test my smoke alarm. Alright, so now I'm gonna test my own smoke alarm. This is gonna be very loud. Ah! Holy crap, that was it for today's video. Bye!